lead you towards your living and the dining space. Kitchen area is actually much more spacious. Most spacious room of the house comes up with the vitrified flooring, a home surrounded by open space, lifestyle amenities, and a resort-like vibe right here in Medavakkam. This is Purva Windermere by Purvankara Group. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Purva Windermere by Purvankara Group located in Medavakkam, Chennai. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, so let me show you the surrounding. Here's the main entrance of our project. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here. And the marketing office is right over here where you can check out their miniature and even the model flat. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listings platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So stay tuned until the end because by the end of this video, you'll be knowing every single detail of the project which will be helping you for the decision making in your home buying journey. Now let's start with the project overview via 3D model. Spread across 55 acres of massive land, divided in 4 phases where phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 is already delivered with 21 towers and residencies are residing here. We have phase 4 under construction with 10 towers. Rising from 2 basement ground plus 11 floor where you can choose between 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium homes with Chennai's biggest 5.5 acre of OSR area developed as Miyawaki forest, and out of this 55 acres we have 42 acres of open space into our community. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 100 plus curated amenities. You get 2 clubhouses, 2 swimming pool, 2 gymnasium, multi-purpose court, basketball court and many more lifestyle amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located off Medavakkam main road in Medavakkam, Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and the main entrance is just behind me over here, and this main entrance road will connect you towards Medavakkam main road. And now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Velachery main road that is 1.1 kilometers away and Reliance Trends that is 1.5 kilometers from our project. So now we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour of 1490 square feet super built up area. The main entrance of our house is just behind me. So on the main entrance, they are offering you with a digital door lock and the video door phone for your security purpose. Here's the digital door lock. This main entrance will directly lead you towards your living and the dining space, which comes up with vitrified flooring, and there's the beautiful interior work done for your reference in the living and the dining area. You can have a look at the sofa set, the couch area, the teapot and even the TV unit space. Now about the dining area. So they have a separate dining area where easily you can add up 6 seats of dining table in the horizontal way, and in spite of that we have an ample of space to move around. On my right hand side is the cutlery space where you can add up your cutlery or your own decors. Another USP that here the home comes up with a home automation system. Alexa, please open the curtain.
Okay.
So here you can have a look. We have a perfect connecting balcony. This balcony comes up with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing with half-wall structure as well. With 3 side covered, from here you can enjoy a perfect scenic view of your city. Now once you step inside with the easy access to your dining area, we have a kitchen area right over here. So basically your kitchen area and your bedrooms are not visible from your common area, so your privacy is maintained perfectly. Now this is a massive kitchen area, and kitchen area is actually much more spacious, where they are offering you with the parallel fitting platforms, that is a granite platform, and you can have a look at the interior again with all the cutleries that they have added up with the platform, the cabinets, the white goods for your reference. Now let's focus upon the utility space which they are offering you. So this is the enclosed utility area which comes up with the machine provision. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here you can add up your refrigerator as well. Now once we step outside, we have a master bedroom exactly in front, but before that, let's explore your bedroom number 1. So 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house, and right over here is your bedroom number 1. So basically I can call it as a parent's bedroom or else the guest bedroom, which comes up with petrified flooring, bed space in the center of the room, and here you can add up your couch area as well, the work table or whatever you like. You can add up your wardrobe, the massive wardrobe like this way, and we have a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and they have shown you that you can add up the work table here itself. We have a TV unit space which is exactly in front of your bed area. Now once you exit this room, we have a common washroom with an easy access to this room in the center of the house. Here's the sink area outside. Washroom comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now just opposite to your bedroom number 1, we have your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, and you can call it as a kid's bedroom because the interior speaks for itself. Again, it comes up with petrified flooring, bed space in the center of the room, huge window perfect for ventilation and lighting so that your room is perfectly ventilated. You can have a look, we have a massive wardrobe space over here, and the study table is fit right over here so easily your 2 kids can work together. Now once you exit, but before that, we have over here is the toilet area, that is your private washroom space. Kids bedroom comes up with private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the shower area is divided by a tile drop. Now moving towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So basically Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight tour, with pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So the wait is over, and here's the entrance for the master bedroom. Once you step inside this master bedroom, let's explore it, and this is the most spacious room of the house. Comes up with the vitrified flooring. Here's the huge bed area in the center of the room. Apart from that, you can add up your side table as well. A huge window perfect for ventilation and lighting purpose. This side you can add up your work table, your TV unit, and a massive wardrobe space. And even this room comes up with a master washroom. So right over here is the master washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the shower area is divided by a tile drop. So this was all about your 3 BHK model flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Puravankara Group's project. Have you checked another project with Puravankara Group? If yes, then again drop down in the comment section. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.